Hello, little explorers. Today we'll meet the amazing animals that live with us on farms and in our homes. Ready? Let's go.
Do you know how to spell cat?
Yes, I do. C-A-T, cat.
This is a cat. Cats chase mice and adore long naps in sunny spots. Let's all meow together. Meow.
Do you know how to spell dog?
Yes, I do. D-O-G, dog.
First up is the dog. Dogs guard our homes, help people, and love to play fetch. Can you bark like a dog?
Do you know how to spell cow?
I do. C-O-W, cow.
Cows are gentle giants that give us nutritious milk for cheese, yogurt, and ice cream.
Do you know how to spell goat?
Yes, I do. G-O-A-T, God.
Goats love to climb and can balance on tiny rocks. They give us milk in soft wool called cashmere.
Do you know how to spell sheep?
Yes, I do. S-H-E-E-P, sheep.
Sheep grow thick wool that keep them cozy and keep us cozy when we make sweater. Do you know how to spell horse?
Yes, I do. H-O-R-S-E, horse.
Horse help farmer pull carts and love to run fast. So people use it for transportation. Do you know how to spell camel?
Yes, I do. C-A-M-E-L, camel.
This is a camel known as chief of desert. Camels carry heavy loads and store water in their humps. Do you know how to spell rabbit?
Yes, I do. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit.
Look at the rabbit. Rabbit have long hair and love crunchy carrot. They huff around the garden.